Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to forex Billionaire Hub. And we're gonna show you our next week market movement of gold. So as you can see there is trading view. 1 hour time frame chart is open right now. So let's start with the daily time frame. Okay. So as you can see there, last week market was let me draw it little bit fall from this zone to this zone and started to go buy zone. Okay, so what can be happen for the next week? So let me draw a possible trend line for the next week. So as you can see there, here is our trend line. So it can be a little bit upper or lower, so you guys can adjust this, I hope. So let's draw another trend line from here to here, and as you can see there, and our upper zone, that means our most upper zone can be around 2072. Okay, so and our latest support zone can be, that means this zone, and another support zone was here. Okay, that two zone can be, that means that two red mark zone can be a final support zone for gold, and another support zone can be here. Okay, so as you can see there, at this point gold have a strong support zone from the trend line and from the support zone. Okay, so market can go up from there, it can be fly till around 2072. Okay, so let make it little bit smaller time frame, that means let make it from 4 hour time frame. So as you can see there, here is 4 hour time frame analysis. So as you can see there, I just using an indicator called smart money concept. So as you can see there, this is our possible support zone, our latest support zone for gold 4 hour time frame and 1 day time frame also. So gold can be fly from this zone. Okay, we will share next movement, that means Monday's movement also, so you guys can continue this video till the last. Okay, so if we select on click on 1 hour time frame analysis, so as you can see there, let me zoom in little bit more, so let me delete it so chart will looks clean. So if I draw another trend line over here, so as you can see there, there is a triangle trading strategy. So let me draw it, and you guys can understand that easily. So as you can see there, our up point is here, another is here, and final point is over here. So if we colorize that with yellow color, so as you can see there, if you know the triangle pattern strategy, or it can be here or over here. Okay, so that is not no matter. So as we know that for the triangle pattern, so let me draw a path. So if it go over here, it can fall more bit more. Okay, so right now market is moving upper zone, that means it cross the trend line, cross the triangle zone at upper, so it can act like this. Okay, so we can say that market is on buy trend in 1 hour time frame, 4 hour and 1 day time frame. So it can flow up minimum, as you can see there, 2078 or 2087, and if it break that all line, it can fly more like 2100. Okay, so what is the possible movement for the Monday's market? You can ask me about that. So let make it 15-minute time frame, as usual my favorite time frame. So if we make it little bit zoom in, so let me draw a support zone for now, as you can see there. So we can draw a support zone over here for a smaller time frame. Okay, so if we follow this line here, we can draw another trend line. Okay, so for now here can be a buy zone over here, we can draw easily a buy zone over here, that means this red line, and market can be flew up like that, and boom. Okay, so our final target is buy. That means it can be go around 2060, 2064, or 2072, or 2078 as per H4 confirmation. Okay, so hopefully all thing is clear now. If you have any query or question, you can comment me or you can knock me on Telegram. I will try to answer it by the point. Okay, so that's for today. Happy trading. Have a nice day.